Do push-ups every day and watch what happens to your body. For certain, this is quite possibly the most essential exercise you can do. Truth be told, you most likely think of it with regards to when you were back in grade school exercise center class. Its straightforwardness and viability make it one of the most generally open activities. Also, you can do them pretty much any place, whenever. Regular push-ups support both chest area and center strength in manners that non-intrusive treatment frequently does. Done appropriately, they draw on muscles in the chest, shoulders, rear arm muscles, back, abs, and surprisingly the legs. Obviously, one well-known impetus to do push-ups each day is to tone and refine the chest and abs. Be that as it may, the strength and solid advantages they give them considerably more worth than basic stylish allure. Push-ups are an incredible exercise since, similar as crunches, they're so natural to do, and you can do them pretty much any place. You don't require any uncommon abilities. You can likewise adjust push-ups for various body types, capacities, and wellness levels. It additionally turns out that there are a great deal of advantages to doing push-ups each day. Push-ups is one of the most established types of activity on the planet, and many individuals accept the activity traces all the way back to essentially the 4th century when Emperor Constantine added push-ups to his exercise schedule. Obviously, almost certainly, the activity originates before the emperor totally. Doing push-ups day by day can be exceptionally valuable for your body and surprisingly your brain. Push-ups offer a huge load of advantages, including bringing down feelings of anxiety, further developing concentration, expanding digestion, and fortifying your center. Adding push-ups to your day-by-day schedule can likewise work on your generally speaking psychological well-being and state of mind. Consistency is everything. Accomplishing something consistently constructs positive routines and scheduling. At the point when you fabricate a positive routine, it spreads through all spaces of your way of life, hence assembling solid confidence and certainty. Everyday push-ups will likewise assist with working on your stance, which is something a lot of us who work at work areas regularly will appreciate. When done effectively and part of a reasonable program that additionally incorporates pulling, an everyday push-up training could assist with adjusting your stance and keep up with it by fortifying the shoulder support, causing the shoulders to show up less adjusted. Simply remember to extend after. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.